Hello, hi everyone, it's me, Mila Rose, and I'm back for another video. This time we are going to do some cash stuffing. We are a little, not behind, because we haven't got paid again yet, but we definitely got to get some of this money put away so that we can be on schedule and stay on track in the new year. So we got a lot of money to move around. Some of it is just going to be a little bit of this, a little bit of that here and there. The rest of it's going to be going some other areas. So we'll be back for some more cash stuffing videos. So here we go. If you enjoy videos about designing a life that you love, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all in just 1 minute. Alrighty, so we're gonna do two things in this video. One, we are going to put away the money from Paycheck 2, and I have a note of what money that is right here. And so we have, hold on just a second. It is freezing here in North Texas, so all my plants are in the house, which means my cat's trying to eat them. Okay, which we are not going to let him do because that's dangerous. That is not the one that is. Ah, here we go. I need this one. Okay, so we have $257 that needs to go towards sinking funds, $10 that needs to go to house emergency, $15 to car emergency / new car, $10 to investment, $20 to giving, $310 total. So let's pull that money out. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, and 10. So there's that money. And let's figure out where that needs to go. So we have 257, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, oh wait. Yeah, 257, 20, 40, 57, I think it is. Yeah, 57. Okay, 257, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 20, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57. Perfect. Okay, so there's that money that goes to sinking funds. Then we have $10 that needs to go. Okay, we have 20 that goes to giving, so here's 20 for giving. And then I'm gonna need to get some change so we can put this away, but I have a little bit of stuff here, so let's see what we've got. Investment is supposed to get 10, so I can trade that investment for 20 and put a 10 there. Perfect. Okay, sorry about that. My computer updated something and it just stopped recording. Okay, so we had just switched out the 10 for investment for 20 to equal 20 total for investment, which is where that's supposed to be. So let's put a check on sinking funds, check on investment, check on 20 for giving. So we just need 10 for house and 15 for car emergency / new car. Oh, okay, yeah. So new car is supposed to have, new car is supposed to get how much? I believe new car is only supposed to get 5. Hold on, where is that at? Yeah, new car should get 5, so I actually need to, let me trade these out then. So put the 10 in new car, and 10 then is supposed to go to car emergency. So let me get the car emergency folder out. There we go. And let's get some change here to get back a 10. Okay, and then that leaves, so that one's done. And then 10 for house emergencies. And that gives us this one, and then we have 5 that needs to sit over here. Okay. And let me make a note that this 20 is for giving. Okay. So don't get confused because I just have money sitting around. Okay, 20 for giving. And then 257 sinking funds. Okay, perfect. Alrighty, so this is taken care of. That is everything from Paycheck 2. But we also need to close out Paycheck 1. So let's pull that information aside. And I've already done the rundown here. And we're almost done with my little notebook, which is exciting, but also like, oh my goodness. Okay, so, oops, it's not the closeout. Hold on, let me see if I can find the closeout real quick. Here it is. Okay, so here's the closeout. So we had 304 envelopes as correct. We had 1932.69 for mortgage. Electricity was only 86. Adobe is 50. Water was 89. Adobe wasn't 50. I'm sorry. I was looking at the wrong thing. It was $22.72. Okay. Water was $89.57. Trash was $86.21. Banfield was $53.90. We had already pulled out 30 for travel, 85 for business, $10 for cushion. Let's add that up to see what we get. Okay. Calculator. Okay. So 300 plus 1932.69 plus 86 plus 50 plus 22.72 plus 89.57 plus 86.21 plus 53.90 plus 30 plus 85 plus 86.21 plus 53. There we go. Okay. Plus 10. 274609, which I'm going to round up to 2747. Okay, so let's subtract the total that I had, 2792 minus 2747. That leaves us with $45 left over for our additional payments. And then over here I already have it written out that we're doing credit debit, credit debt, house debt, student loans, security savings, emergency savings, house emergency, car emergency, tech, business, and I think that's the last one. Yeah. And we get $45 to divide up by that, and we do it by percentage. So 45 times 0.2, $9, $9. 10% is going to be 4.5. So we're doing $5, $5, and $5 for these ones, and then we're only going to do $4 for these two, and then 2.5, so 45.05 is 225, so we're just going to do $2 for tech, $2 for business. So now we need to get that 45, which we have that $5 that I have right there that I had taken out. There we go. So 45. But we're undoubtedly going to probably need some change. But let's see what we have in our folder. And I think most of these are either already at 0 because we're just starting off in the year, or they may be like pretty low. So let's see what we've got. I don't think I have a house debt. Oh, okay, I've been keeping them in the same one. Okay, that's fine then. All right, so house debt, so it should be 18 that I need total from there. Yeah, I'm definitely not gonna be able to make that a clean break. Okay, then let me wait on that one. Let's look at student loans. It's supposed to get $5. I can put that one on. Okay, well here we go for that one. So student loans is a check. And then let's see who else we've got. Okay, security savings. Here we go, security savings is supposed to get 5. Let's see what security savings has in. Oh, the security savings have change? It doesn't, but I think I can make this work. I can put 15 in and take a 20. So that's for security saving, which gives us 5s, y'all. Yay. Okay. So security savings is done. Check. Emergency savings is supposed to get 5. So let's see what we've got there. See if we can make change of anything else that would make sense. I guess honestly I'll switch out the 2 10s for the 20 and then put in the 5. At least that's a smaller breakdown. Okay, so that is emergency savings. Gets its 5. House emergency is supposed to get 4. Wow. Let's see what we get. Somebody has to have some 1s, right? It's supposed to get 4. So if I give it a 5 and take a 1. Okay. And then car emergency is supposed to get 4. Let me check off house emergencies. Let's see what that's got. Does anyone have? Do we have change for finally? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Done that. And then if I take one, oh, wait. If I take one more, I can give back 2 5s and take a 10. Okay, there we go. Perfect. Okay. Car emergencies, got it. Tech is supposed to get 2. Let's see if we can make that 18. So 10, 5, 6, 7, 8. 18 for debt. I really need to just make separate folders for these, don't I? Okay, so they're supposed to be at 13 and 13, and now they're getting, as of, what is today? Okay. And that 18, correct? Okay, so we're gonna put that 10, 5, and the 1s. Should be 44 total. So 20, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Perfect. Just making sure I have the right amount so I don't get confused later on. Okay. Put that away. And then, so we've done those 2. And then we're supposed to have, ooh, it seems like we have more than what we're supposed to. Yay, of course we do. Well, okay, so someone's missing a 5. So I will figure that one out. But 2 for tech and 2 for business, and then we'll be done. Because I will not drag y'all through as I try to figure out who's missing a 5. 2 for tech and 2 for business. Okay. I didn't think about where that folder was. For this one. There we go. Okay. Business gets 2. So closeout income. Ooh, we've been putting some closeout income in here. That is very nice. Okay, and then income, and then tech. It's like, where is technology at? Do protect. So tech has 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51. That's exciting. Okay. So 51 for tech. Alright, so that's everything. I'll figure out where that 5 goes. Thanks for watching, y'all. I hope you enjoyed. This is a kind of a quick one, but we have some long ones coming up in just a minute. So y'all get ready for that. You know, I'm pretty sure it's probably, car emergencies where I did all that funky kind of math. So I'm gonna go check in there to see where that $5 needs to go. But that is it, and that'll zero us out. So thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you at our next video, which is going to be a sinking funds. Ooh, we got a lot of money to put away, y'all. So I'll see y'all later. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.